In today's video, we will show you how to use a Goldschmitt levelling system. These levelling jacks ensure that your vehicle is secure when you're walking around it. We advise that these levelling jacks are used on hard standing pitches to avoid your motorhome getting stuck. Some of the models of these levelling jacks have apps that you can use as well as the remote. Now let's show you how these work. Here you have the remote. You can bring your legs down pressing this button and up pressing this one. The green lights show that all the jacks are down and the vehicle is stable. There are also modes to ensure that your bed is stable or to aid water draining from the vehicle. As we press for the jacks to go up, you will see that the green lights start to flash red. This shows that the levelling jacks are going up. The red light in the centre represents that your vehicle is no longer stable. As the rear green lights start to flash red, it shows that the rest of your vehicle is now bringing the levelling jacks up. Here we can see the levelling jacks are starting to come down. It really is a very simple process and it's all done by the touch of a button. The legs find the lowest point on the ground and begin to stabilise your vehicle by raising it up. If you need to drive away quickly, when you start the engine, the legs will retract. However, it is always advised to check that these legs have definitely retracted before you start driving off in your vehicle. Here we can see the levelling jacks working and ensuring that your vehicle is fully stable and level. As previously said, this will make sure that your vehicle is fully stabilised and secure, so no movement when walking around your vehicle. If you're interested in the Goldschmitt Levelling Jacks, then head on over to our website here at Travel World to check them out.